Let's go over the viewport controls really quickly. By scrolling, you can move in and out. You can also move in and out by holding Alt right click. Moving left and right is holding middle mouse button. Rotating the camera is right click, but you can also, generally how I move, I select something, I can press F to zoom in on it. I scroll out and I can hold Alt and move around the cube, right? Holding Alt left click, you can rotate around the object. You can also hold right click and WASD to move around like in a game. If you're just simply holding right click WASD. Transforming our object, we have the WER. You can also see it changing up here. Yeah. So W, I can move things around. E, I can rotate things. And R, I can scale things. Now up here, we can change between the local axis and the world axis. Essentially asking which direction is the object pointing or which direction is the world pointing, and from that on we can then keep rotating. This is helpful when you want to like place things a certain way. You can sometimes work from the world and sometimes work from the local. Then you have surface snapping. You can snap things to another surface. Here's the grid snapping. You can see if you press W and move things, let's say on the world, yeah, so we can move it left and right properly. It is snapping, right? You can increase the snapping here. Let's say 100, it's a lot, but okay. We can snap a lot, or we can just turn it off and move it smoothly. Same goes for the rotation. Should the rotation snap? How much should it snap? Let me set this back to 5. And same goes for scaling. Should scaling snap? You can see it snapping. If your camera speed is too fast, you can go to the top right here and change your camera speed. And the last thing on the top right is that you can automatically have the top, the right and the front view shown at the same time. Yeah.
Hey.